Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Chrome Remote Desktop on Android. First, you'll need to install the Chrome Remote Desktop extension on your computer's Chrome browser. Then, download the Chrome Remote Desktop app from the Google Play Store onto your Android phone or tablet. Make sure both your computer and Android device have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a secure connection. Once both applications are installed, open the Chrome Remote Desktop app on your Android device. You'll see a list of your available computers that have the extension enabled. Tap on the computer you want to connect to. For security, you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN that you previously set up on your computer. This ensures only authorized users can access your desktop remotely. After successfully entering the PIN, your computer's screen will appear on your Android device. You can now control your desktop using intuitive touch gestures, just like a trackpad. Pinch to zoom, tap to click, and drag to move the cursor. This allows you to access all your files, run applications, and even use an on-screen keyboard for typing, giving you full control from anywhere. To optimize your remote desktop experience, consider adjusting the display settings within the app for better performance, especially on slower connections. A stable Wi-Fi connection is highly recommended to minimize lag and ensure a reliable connection. For more tips and to check out some great deals, including the Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty mentioned earlier, be sure to look in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your remote access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.